Hello, I'm Shishanta. Tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano magkuha ng online appointment sa PSA using cellphone. First, punta po kayo ng Google, then search nyo po ang PSA online appointment. I-click nyo po ito, then scroll up. Then, i-click nyo po itong book appointment. And then, scroll up ulit. Click nyo po itong agree. Click nyo po itong next. Then, select po kayo ng purpose. So, sa akin ay kukuha ko ng copies ng birth certificate. So, click nyo po itong get copies of civil registry. Libre po ang first time job seeker. Basta i-comply nyo po itong requirements nakalagay dito sa 1 and 2. 1. Barangay certification and or clearance for employment purposes printed in the official letterhead with dry seal duly signed by the punong barangay or his or her authorized officer. 2. Administered oath of undertaking executed by the job seeker. Applicable only for the one-time issuance of birth or marriage certificate of the first-time job seeker. Free of charge. Click next. Choose a region. So, hanapin nyo lang kung saan kayo malapit. Sa amin ay Region 5. And then, malapit kami dito sa may Legazpi. So, click nyo lang yung Legazpi Albay. Tapos, scroll up kayo ulit. Click nyo ulit itong next. Tapos, ilalagay nyo dito yung contact information for the appointment. Type nyo dito yung first name, yung middle name nyo, last name, email address, mobile number. Then, i-click nyo ang agree yan. Next. Magsisend sila ng 6-digit verification code sa number nyo. I-type nyo na lang or i-copy-paste. Then, click nyo tong verify. Please enter the certificates you are requesting for. Click nyo itong certificate type. Click nyo lang yung gusto nyong kunin. Then pala yung birth certificate, marriage certificate, certificate of no marriage, Senomar or advisory on marriage. Death certificate, certificate of no death, advisory on deaths. For now, birth certificate yung kukunin natin. And then, ilalagay nyo lang dito kung ano yung relationship nyo. Sa akin, kukunin ko yung kay mother. Click nyo lang yung mother. Ilapan nyo lang itong personal information nyo, first name, middle name, and then last name. Then, i-click nyo yung next. Then, pili kayo dito sa date kung alin ang may available na slots. Click natin itong January 12, 2026. Then, scroll up. Full siya So, pili tayo ng panibagong date. So, click natin itong 23. Click lang kayo ng oras, kung anong oras yung available nyo. So, click nyo and then next. So, eto yung marireceive nyo sa email nyo, then confirm. Punta kayo ng Gmail, marireceive nyo itong Civil Registration Service Appointment Slip. Then, i-download nyo na lang. Comment kayo below kung alin pa yung tutorial na gusto nyong malaman. And then, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you!